If your sweaters end up looking like this after wearing them and your solution is to burn them, leave the country and start a new life in Cuba, stop. Come back from Cuba. I have a solution on how to fix pilling on your clothes and it's super easy. So this red sweater, I wore it all through Christmas, all through November, if we're being honest, and she got a bit rough around the edges. And this is her after I got rid of the pilling. The pilling has left the building. She's been fired. She had to go. 2024 is here and she needed to go back to 2023 because that's where we're leaving all the negative energy. So the tool that's going to help you achieve greatness today is this fabric shaver. This tool is so powerful. I love it. To say it's life-changing, I am not using that lightly. And it has a regulator for thinner fabrics or thicker fabrics, just depending on what you're fixing the pilling of. And I just run it through my fabric. It does all the work for you. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to suffer in 2024. You are no longer on the strongest soldier list. You are in the soft life list. And this tool makes sure of it. So look at the difference. Just tell me you see that. I know you see that. So this takes about 2 minutes and I'm obsessed with removing lint from all my clothes and the pilling. And here's some ASMR for you. And there we go. Once you're done, this is all that came off the sweater. Woof, Chile. This is a tough life. The sweater had gone through it. But look at her, good as new. And yeah, this will keep your sweaters in pristine condition and anything really in pristine condition. So the tool will be linked in my description box. Thanks for watching and see you next time.